Good afternoon, and welcome back to the Refreshing Point. I came across a product that I would like to share with you. What if you could grow more lettuce than a farm in a tiny apartment with 90% less water? If you live in a tiny apartment and want to grow your own food, then this product may be for you. A new startup has launched a product with the bold goal of feeding the world. At the very least, you may not need to buy the main ingredient to salad for a while. The makers of the micro-gardening system, Aggressively Organic, boast that it can grow more lettuce in a 10-foot room than on a half an acre of farmland. To top it off, indoor gardening is nearly hands-off because planters only need to water the pods every few weeks. Not only is this beneficial for busy people who forget to water their plants, but it is also better for the environment. Planting lettuce in the ground requires roughly 25 gallons of water to grow. The pods, on the other hand, only require about 16 ounces. They claim that their lettuce is more nutritious than commercial lettuce. This is because, quote, lettuce loses 90% of its nutrition within 24 hours of being harvested, end quote, they say. Quote, now you can harvest when hungry and know that you're getting the most nutrition from your food. We call this plant-to-plate freshness, end quote. The plant pods are built with a hydroponic-based system that revolves around soilless gardening. The pods are built using cardboard liners, a coconut coir disc in which seeds are planted, reusable netted cups to hold the plant, and a nutrient solution that nourishes the greenery. There is no electricity required, although growers can place their indoor gardens under a grower's lamp or a desk lamp if they can't keep them on a windowsill. According to their website, to feed the nearly 10 billion people that could be living on planet Earth by 2050, the Food and Agricultural Organization estimates food production globally will have to increase by 50%. The organization also said world hunger seems to be on the rise. Aggressively Organic seeks to tackle food insecurity, one micro-garden at a time, by giving people the tools they need to grow their own food, whether it's in an office, dorm room, or small studio apartment. Their growth systems are even suitable for people who lack gardening experience. On their website it states, quote, we are working hard behind the scenes so we can begin taking pre-orders. Sign up to be notified when we open it up, end quote. As mentioned in the beginning, if you use plant pods, you may not need to buy lettuce for a while. That would be nice. I appreciate you watching. Good day and good health.